हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों. गुड मॉर्निंग कनीस, गुड मॉर्निंग समर्थ, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, good morning sir. Now yesterday we had completed the production of the multiplication of the two matrices. Okay, how can we multiply the two matrix? Okay, then there is some property means is it possible to product of the each type of the matrix together? For example, if you have given here, if A is equal to 2 2 3 1, the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Okay, and multiply by other second matrix is 2 1. Okay, and the order of this matrix is 1 cross 2. So is it possible to find the product of this matrix? Yes or not? Okay, so what is the rule behind it? How can we check it without multiplying the two matrix whether is it product is possible or not? Okay, so how can we check it? The product of the two matrix is possible or not? क्या possible है या नहीं है? Okay, and when we are find the product of the two matrix, so what will be the answer of the, what is the order of the answer of the matrix? Okay, so if you want to check the product of the matrix is it possible or not, so we can take the help of the one condition. If example is A B C D, one matrix is A B C D and its order is 2 cross 2, its order is 2 cross 2, then multiply by one another matrix, it is F and G. Its order is, what is the number of row? First row, second row and one column. 2 cross 2, 2 cross 1, and the answer we can means the answer, and what is the order of this matrix? We will get the answer from the production of these two matrix. इस मैट्रिक्स की हेल्प से जो आंसर निकलेगा उसका ऑर्डर कितना होगा? Okay, if you are calculating the order and if we get a correct order, if we get the accurate order, so that time we can say that the product of the two matrix is it possible. Okay, so check it. How can we check it? If this is denoted to row into column and this is also denoted to row into column, if the column of the first matrix and row of the second matrix, remember this point. Okay, memorize this point. What I am saying here, the column of the first matrix and row of the second matrix, if they are equal to each other, so we can say that the product of the two matrices are possible. Okay, so यहाँ पे check करो, what is the order of the, what is the column of the first matrix? It is 2, and what is the column of the row of the second matrix? It is 1. Both are not equal to each other, so this time we cannot calculate the product of these two matrices here. Okay, so remember this point, when the column of the first matrix and row of the second matrix are equal, so that time their product is it possible here. Okay, so now what is the final order of the matrix? So then we can check it here. Okay, so what is the final order of this matrix? The final order of this matrix is the remaining term. You know that here we can write row into column. So what row or column is remaining here? This is the row of the first matrix and this is the column of the second matrix. The remaining number we can write here, this 2 we can write here in the form of the row into, and this one we can write in the form of column here, means 2 cross 1. Okay, one more example I am taking here, एक और लेके चलते हैं. 2 4 5 6, then cross 2 3 4 5 2 1. Okay, the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2, and the order of this matrix, first row second row, so 2 into column is 1 2 3 into 3. So what will be the order of the matrix? without checking the multiplication, without doing the actual multiplication, what will be the order of this matrix? Okay, नहीं तो हम लोगों को क्या करते हैं, हम लोगों ने पहले मल्टीप्लाई किया फिर आंसर लाए, then we can check here the order of the final matrix. तो without checking, without doing actual multiplication here, find the order of the answer matrix, find the order of the solution matrix. So how can we check? First of all check its product, is it possible or not, क्या इसका product possible है या नहीं है. तो when these two terms means outside of the first and inside of the second, it is denoted to the row into column, and this is also denoted to row into column. So column and row, it will be same. Okay, if they will be same to each other, so that time we can say that the product is possible here. If both are unequal to each other, उस टाइम पे प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं होने वाला है. ओके, तो नाउ व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द फाइनल मैट्रिक्स? तो व्हाट विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ द फाइनल मैट्रिक्स? तो दिस इज द रो हियर, दिस 2 डिनोटेड टू द रो, तो अगेन इट विल कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द रो, अगेन इट विल कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द रो, एंड 3 is remaining, so 3 we can write in the form of column. So 2 into 3 means the answer we will get here in the form of 2 cross 3, means the order of the answer of the matrix is 2 cross 3. Next example I am taking at the starting, the product of this matrix is possible here. Okay, so the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Then the order of this matrix is, what is the order? First row and 2 column, 1 cross 2. So sir, tell me the product is possible? No, because these two inside terms, the order are not equal to each other. So if they are not equal to each other, so we cannot, अब ये मत बोल देना सर कि the answer will be 2 cross 2, the order of the answer is 2 cross 2. No, if they are not same, so we cannot identify their order also, we cannot write their order also, so the product is not possible here. Okay, so this is the way to check without doing actual division, how to find the order of the matrix and how we can check the production of the two matrices is possible or not. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक बार चेक भी करके देखते हैं. तो according to the rule, first row multiply with first column. Okay, तो first row means 2 multiply with 2, 2 multiply by 2, 2 into 2 plus where is the partner of the 4? यहाँ पे तो 2, where is the partner of the 2? Which number we can multiply these two? Nothing is coming here. So the product is not possible here. Okay, so with the help of this rule, 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 1, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 2, so these are not same, the product is not possible, we can say directly. Okay, so hope you understand this thing, how can we find it. Okay, one more question I am giving to you, you can write your answer in the comment section. What will be the answer? Okay, please write your answer in the comment section. 2 2 4 1 2 3. 2 cross, the 2 cross means row into column, so 2 row and 3 column, 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3 multiply by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and its order is 3 cross 3. So tell me first of all, the product, is it possible here? The product of these two matrices is possible, yes or not? Write in comment section. And second is, if the product is possible, what is the final order of this matrix? What is the final order of this matrix? I am waiting your answer. Please write in the comment section. Ajay Veer Negi, good morning sir. Yes, Ajay Veer, yes, Ajay Veer, very good, your answer is correct. Yes sir. Yes. Kanishk Karoda 2 cross 3, very good Kanishk Karoda. Ajay Veer Negi 2 cross, very good Ajay Veer. I request all the students, those are watching this video, please write your answer in the comment section. Okay, 2 cross 3. Okay, very good Ajay Veer, Samarth Pugreti, Geet Kanishk Karoda. Okay, all 3 students send your answers. The answer is good. Okay sir, first of all we will check here 3 into 3 inside row and column, row into column of the first matrix and row of the second matrix, both are equal to each other, so product is possible here. And what is the order of the final matrix we will get in the form of the answer? It will be 2, it is 2 cross, and the second is 3. Okay, so this is the concept of how to check the product of the two matrix is possible or not, and how can we find the total number of element, how can we find the order of the matrix without doing the actual multiplication. Okay, so now we are going to the exercise 8C, exercise number 8C, and this is a very simple exercise. Now I am taking the question number third is very simple one. Yeah, third is fourth से start करते हैं. Okay, fourth a is equal to 1 4 2 1. Next b is equal to minus 2 4 and 0, and c is equal to 1 0 0 2. And the question is simplify, means calculate the value of a square plus bc. Calculate the value of a square plus bc. This is also very simple thing. So sir, देखो, one more thing, it is given here a square. A square means the a is given here 1 4 2 1. Okay, sometimes you can do here one thing, a square means the square of the element. So if you are doing here the square of this matrix 1 4 2 1 and outside is square, then you are doing 1 by square 1 4 4 the 16 2 2 the 4 1 1 the 1. It is answer. No, this is wrong. Okay, this is completely wrong. A square means here we have to multiply a into a, and when you check it, the answer a into a and a square is this value, both will be different to each other. So this is the wrong method. तो चेक करते हैं क्या बनेगा a square into a. तो first it is given here a square. तो first calculate the value of a square. तो a square means a into a. So a is, what is our a? 1 2 4 1, and second is a is 1 4 2 1 1 4 2 1. So find the product. As you know that first row first column, so immediately we can solve it. Okay, so 1 into 1, next plus 4 into 2, next 1 into 4, first column 1 into 4 and plus 4 into 1. And I request those are watching this first time, please watch the previous video of the multiplication. Next 2 cross 1 plus 1 cross 2, next 2 cross 4 plus 1 cross 1. Okay, and now you are the master of the production of the multiplication. 4 2s are 8, 1 1 ja 1 or 4 2s are 8, 8 or 1 9, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 or 2 4. Next is 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 or 4 8. Next 4 2s are 8, 1 1 ja 1, 8 or 1 9. So it is the product here. So now check it. A into a and a square, both are correct? No sir, this is 1 4 16 1 and this is 9 9 9 4 8 9. It means this way is wrong. This way, a square is the wrong way to find the a square. Okay, so this is the value of a square a square. Now find the bc. Bc means b into c. So b is minus 3 2 4 0 and c is equal to 1 0 0 2. You can write your answer in the comment section. What is the product of the BC? Immediately you can solve it. First row and first column. So minus 3 multiplied by 1 and plus 2 multiplied by 0. Next minus 3 multiplied by 0 and plus 2 multiplied by 2. Next 4 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 0. Next 4 multiplied by 0 and plus 0 multiplied by 2. So this is the product of B into C. So BC is equal to minus 3 and 2 into 0, 0 minus 3. 4 1 ja 4 into 0, 4. Next minus 3 into 0, 0 2 into 2, 4. 4 4 into 0, 2 into 0, 0. So question is, what is our question? Find the value of a square plus BC. A square, what is a square? It is 9 4 8 9. 9 4 8 9 and plus what is our BC? BC is minus 3 4 4 0. So addition here, to how can we add here? Each corresponding element will add to each other. Okay, so 9 plus minus, so 9 plus minus minus, so 9 minus 3 6. Next 8 plus 4, 8 or 4 12. 4 plus 4, 4 or 4 8 and 9 plus 0 9. So 6 12 8 9 is the answer of this question. 6 4 8 9. Buffering. Sir, Ashwin Khampa, from our side there is no problem because our net is going up to speed of 720 kbps, 720. Okay, only from your side is the network problem. So I request you can reduce the buffering quality from the setting. Okay. Samarth, what is your answer? Question number 4. 6, 12, 8, 9. Samarth, please check your answer. 38, 46, 72. What are you doing? Samarth Kukreti, please check your answer properly. 6, 12, 8, 9 is the answer of this question. Okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 multiply by 3 and 4 multiply by 3 and 4 equal to x into y. So here we need the value of x. Here we have to calculate the value of x. Calculate the value of x, sir, of previous question. No, I checked it answer sheet. The answer is correct. Samarth, previous question, which question number? 38, 46, 72. Okay, the next question is 1 0 0 minus 1 3 4 and x from x and y. So how can we find? Question is calculate the value of x and y here. So same method we can apply here. First find the multiplication of the left hand side, then after that we can check we can make equivalent to the both matrix left hand side, right hand side. So multiplication you know very well. How can we solve it? To take this part, first row and first column. So 1 multiply by 3. Next plus 0 multiply by 4. Now column is finished. अच्छा एक चीज और देखो, 1 0 0 minus 1 and in the last at the starting of this video I explained to you what will be the order of the final matrix. देखो, what is the order of this matrix? This is 2 cross 2. What is the order of this matrix? How many row are here? 2 row and 1 column. So what will be the final answer? The final order of the answer of the matrix. So if when they will be same, the product is it possible. The remaining is 2 cross 1. So answer will be 2 cross 1. देखो, 1 row, second row. So 2 cross 1. Okay. So this is the way to check if the product is it possible or not. The first row and column is finished. So no, we will not go to ahead. Numerator में ही आगे नहीं चलेंगे. Then we will take down sign for the second row. तो second row के लिए देखो 0 into 3. Next plus we will take now minus 1 multiply by 4. So then product is finished because second column is not coming. If second column is coming, we can write here the second column. So is equal to x and y. So solve it, sir. 3 1 is 3 plus 0. 0 into 3 0 and 4 into minus 1. 0 into 3 0, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So the answer is 2 cross 1 is equal to x and y. Now check it, the order of this matrix is 2 cross 1. 2 row and 1 column, 2 cross 1. And I told to you at the starting of the chapter of the matrix, when the two matrices of the same order are equivalent to each other, so their corresponding elements are also equal. Okay, it means order are same. When we keep the x upon y above the 3 upon minus 3 and minus 4, they will completely overlap to each other. It means ऐसे इसको mix कर दो, तो thumb के equal, this finger, middle finger and all are equal to each other. Okay, so यही same चीज यहाँ पे. तो finally x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4 is the answer of this question. Okay, hope you understand the how can we calculate the value of x and y. Okay, 2 cross 1. Samarth, sir, 2 cross 3 order you said to solve. Okay, next. Question number 6 is the very important for your examination. You can check your previous year question paper. So there is the so many times this question is came at your examination. Okay, 1 0 1 2 is equal to 1 and 2. And where m is a matrix, question is find the order of m and second is find the value of m. First is order of m and second is find the value of the matrix M. So what will be the order of this matrix? So sir, how can we write it? So we can write M here. M is the matrix. Okay, M is the matrix. Let its order is, let the order of the matrix M is A cross B. We can let it is A cross B. Next, multiply by 1 1 0 2. 1 1 0 2 is equal to the 1 and 2. So check it. What is the order of this matrix? It is 2 cross 2. And what is the order of this matrix is 1 row. This is 1 row. And how many column? 2 column. 1 cross 2. 1 cross 2. तो देखो ध्यान से सुनना क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं. If it is given 2 cross 2 2 3 4, then into 2 1 is equal to, what is the answer? This is 2 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 1. So answer will be, what is the answer? Answer is, this will be same. So first 2 into and this last. यही चीज हमको यहाँ पे फॉलो करनी है. तो कंपेयर द बोथ पार्ट, ऐसा कुछ करना है हम लोगों ने. तो एज यू नो दैट व्हेन यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू मैट्रिसेस, तो दीस टू टर्म्स इट विल रिमेन सेम, बट हियर वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड बी. सेम तो है नहीं, पर सेम लेट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन दीस टू टर्म्स will be same. So their product is possible here, and the product is possible because we have given the answer and we have given the order of the answer of the matrix. It means product is it possible here. So we can write b is equal to 2 because these two equal to each other. So this is 2, तो b also 2. अब क्या करते हैं, this 2 is equal to this part, okay, and this 1 is equal to this one. So we can take here this a is equal to 1. This a is equal to 1 according to this condition. And what is remaining? This 2 is equal to 2. When they are equal to each other, 2 is equal to 2, this 2 is equal to b, तो a equal to 1. a equal to 1. अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो एक और एग्जांपल लेके चलते हैं. One more example. If the order in one matrix is M and the into second matrix is 2 4 6 8 and the answer is coming, suppose that 2 and 1, answer is coming, suppose that 2 and 3. So its order is 2 cross 2. Its order is, how many row is here? 1 row and 2 column. 1 cross 2. And let the order of this matrix is A cross B. Let the order of this matrix is A cross B. And the product of these two matrix, answer is 2 3 and order is 1 2. It means product is it possible here because we already given the solution. So how can we compare their orders? How can we make their order? कैसे करते थे? तो क्या करते थे? In the left hand side they will equal to each other, then product will be possible. But we have not given the order of this matrix, but product is it possible here, so we can identify it. 2 is equal to b, so b is equal to 2, b is equal to 2. And tell me this part according to the previous question, according to the question we have solved it earlier. So this a is equal to, this row is equal to row, and this 2 is equal to 2. When 2 is equal to 2, so what is a? A is equal to 1. So hope you understand this thing. How can we calculate the order of the matrix? One question for you. Please send the answer in the comment section. What is the order of this matrix? If M is equal to, if M is A cross B, if M is A cross B, and second is 2 3 4 5 and is equal to 2 and 7, and its order is, what is its order? 2 cross 2, and its order is 1 row, 1 into 2. So tell me in the comment section what is the value of A and B. It is just a simple question, it is a repeated, but after that one more question I will give to you. The order is 2 cross 1, okay? No, 2 cross 1. Please check your answer, Ajay properly. Ajay, please check your answer properly. B is equal to 2, very good. B is equal to 2, very good. And what is the value of A? A is equal to 1, good, very good Ajay Negi. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Okay, next, any more? Samarth, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, very good Samarth Kukreti. Ashwin, what is your answer? Kanish Karora, A 1 and 2, very good. Very good Kanish Karora. And I appreciate all the students. Okay. Next one is, चलिए, but please solve this question and send your answer in the comment section. 2, 2, 3, 4. Its order is 2 cross 2. Okay. Into M. And let it is A into B. Let it is A into B. Let this is A into B. And answer is coming here. Answer is coming here. Suppose something is coming and its order is 1 cross 2. 1 cross 2. So now tell me what is the value of A and B. What is the value of A and B? As using the same method, please solve this question and tell me what is the answer of this question. What is the value of A and B? Please immediately do it and tell me in the comment section what is the A and B. What is the value of A and B? A is equal to 2, very good. And B is equal to B also 2. Okay, very good. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया. क्वेश्चन थोड़ा चेंज है सर. ओके, क्वेश्चन में कुछ चेंजेस आएंगे. देखो, ये थोड़ा चेंज होगा. ठीक है, अगर मैं इसको ऐसा करता हूं तो ये आएगा आपके पास. हाँ, according to the condition this is equal to this. Okay, this is equal to this. Next 2 is equal to here 2 into and B is equal to, ये 1 ले लिया ऐसे है. चलो ठीक है. तो now A is equal to 2 and this B is equal to 1. So 2 cross 1. Okay, so hope you understand this type of the question. But our question is find the order of the M, and the second part is find the value of a matrix M. So let's check it. So M, let the order of the matrix M is A cross B and into 1 1 0 2, and this is the very very important question, is equal to 1 and 2. So write their order. Its order is 2 cross 2 and its order is 1 row and 2 column. So 1 cross 2, 1 row and 2 column. So identify it, what is the value of A and B. So M it is denoted by A cross B. So you know that these two parts will equal to each other. It means B is equal to 2 and this A is equal to 1 and this 2 is equal to 2. So that A is equal to, what is the value of A? It is 1. So order of matrix M, order of matrix M is equal to, first A will come. Okay, A, what is the A? 1 cross 2. 1 cross 2 is the answer. Then after that question is find the value of M. So let M is equal to, here we can take M is equal to, acha, M is equal to 1 cross 2. 1 cross 2 means how many element will be there? Only 2 element. 1 into 2 means 2. So only 2 element will be there. And 1 row means कैसे बनेगी आपकी 1 row? This is the 1 row. 1 ऐसे में 1 row and 2 column, first column, second column. So let's suppose its value is X and Y. Identify what is the order and according to the order let a matrix X cross Y. एक चीज और देखो, if the order is 2 cross 1, if the order is 2 cross 1, so what is the value of M? M we can let in the form of the X and Y. So 2, it means number of row कैसे आएगी? दो, A and 2. The let first row is X and only 2 element are there. And 2 row and column is only single column. Second number is Y. So this is the arrangement of the matrix you are taking, you are supposing. Okay, इसको भी ध्यान रखना. तो चलिए सर, तो now substitute the value M is equal to X and Y. Now multiply with 1 1 0 2 and equal to 1 and 2. So solve it. First find the product according to the rule, first row and first column. So X multiply by Y, X multiply by 1 plus Y multiply by 0. Y multiply by 0. Now we are taking the first row, same row we are taking, so we will take this part. Okay, and if you are going to the second row, so change this row also. अगर आपने first row लिया है और फर्स्ट कॉलम अभी आगे चल रहा है, फर्स्ट रो के लिए ही सॉल्व करें तो ऐसे सॉल्व करोगे. एंड इफ यू आर चेंजिंग द रो, सेकंड रो, देन यू विल चेंज द रो हियर आल्सो. तो आवर रो इज फिनिश्ड, फर्स्ट रो, first column. We are taking the same row, so in the head we can take here x multiply by 1 plus sign, then y multiply by 2. Okay, and after that row is finished, we cannot take the any another row is finished, is equal to 1 and 2. To multiply x 1 ja x, y into 0 0, next x into 1 x into x, and plus y into 2, so 2y is equal to 1 and 2. The order of this matrix, it is first row and 2 column, row into column 1 cross 2, and it is also 1 cross 2. And you know that when the matrix of the same order and are equal to each other, when they are equal to each other, order are same, so their corresponding element are equal. X is equal to 1, this x is equal to 1, and second time x plus 2y is equal to 2. So x, what is the value of x here? 1. So 1 plus 2y is equal to 2. So 2y is equal to 2 minus 1 y is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer of the given matrix we are supposing here, x m. So what is the final answer of the m? The final answer of the m, second part is m is equal to, question is find the matrix m. So m is equal to, what is the x is 1 and y is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 and 1 by 2 is the answer of this question. Okay, okay, so hope you understand this question. Then next one is the next question. Okay sir, this is the time of the next class. Okay, so I am ending this session, and I request all the students, those are watching this video, please, those join the video at the middle term, at the mid term, so I request please watch its video from previous. We uploaded to 3 videos based on the matrices. Okay, and I request, this is the last exercise 8C is the last exercise. So one request, yeah, one homework, please solve the question number 7, 8, question number 9, 7, 8 and 9, and one more question, question number 10. So 4 question I am giving to your homework, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then if there is any problem, you can send me in the WhatsApp, yeah, by personal message. I will provide the solution, and tomorrow we will go solve the remaining question of this exercise. So thank you for watching this video, and please inform to your classmate, watch the video. Okay, and stay home and stay safe.